Introducing the new GoMobile. Now here's how it works. Let's start at your home screen. It shows the Nearby tab with a map of where you are and what routes are near you. Your favorite routes will appear at the top of your results when nearby. This is where you can easily see and manage your favorites. And when you plan a trip, you'll get results from RTA's Trip Planner. The RTA Trip Planner provides a variety of trip plan options. Let's go back to the Nearby tab. And let's say you want to catch the nearest bus to you. You can swipe the route panel side to side to switch the direction of the route information. Tap the pin to make the closest stop to you appear. Looks like it's stop number 4491 at Decatur and Esplanade. By tapping the route panel, you are taken to that route's page. Here you can also switch the direction of the route information, as well as see what times the bus is expected at other stops on the route. Now I think the other route we saw nearby was better for us though, so let's go back and see. The three flashing bars next to the time indicates real-time information. You will see an estimated time of arrival, regularly updated for accuracy. Now, this bus really is 9 minutes away from the closest stop. So let's tap on the pin to see where that stop is. Yep, it's 9 minutes away from stop number 1259 at Elysian Fields and Royal. Now when you tap on the 55's route panel, not only do you see the route line and its stops, but you can actually track your ride in real time as it approaches you. With real-time information, you may decide to spend the next 8 minutes inside instead of at the stop. You know, that comes in handy if it's raining or hot outside. So let's talk about your favorite routes. If you know this is a route you'll want to use regularly, tap the star to make it a favorite. If we go back to the home page, you can also tap the stars on the route panels to mark them as favorites. Either way, you can view and manage these routes under the Favorites tab. Tapping a star a second time takes the route off the list. Now, if you don't have any favorites, click Select Favorites as a shortcut to the full RTA list of schedules. You can also get here by tapping the clock button in the footer at the bottom of the screen. This section lists all the routes for bus, streetcar, and ferry. By tapping on any of these route panels, you will see real-time information for the selected routes for the next half hour. Schedule time is available for all other times. Now going back to the schedule list, making any of these routes a favorite by tapping its star will send that route to the top of the list. Now if you tap the map button in the footer, your favorites will be at the top of that list too. By tapping on the line picture, you can make any route appear on the map. Tap Clear at the top right to undo all and to hide all routes from view. I see this service alert triangle next to the 55 that I was waiting for. So let's see what's up. Tapping either the little alert triangle on the route panel or the alert triangle in the footer at the bottom of the screen will take you to the service alert page. The number next to the alert triangle shows how many alerts are currently in effect. When I tap 55, it says that it's a detour due to a second line. Well, this won't impact where we're going right now, but it's good to know. I can also sign up to get new alerts sent to me by email, text, or in-app notification. Come to think of it, let's check how close that bus is. Great! It's due to arrive any minute now. Tap on the wallet button at the bottom of the screen, and here you can buy, store, and use all types of tickets. Select the type of ticket and the number of those tickets you want to buy. Then tap Next. Review your order, add your credit card info if you haven't yet, check the box, and then tap Submit Payment. Looks like the bus is here, so it's time to use a ticket. You can use as many as you've already bought. Right now, let's just use one. If you are ready to ride, tap Board. If you aren't going to board, tap Cancel and save the ticket for another trip. After tapping Board, You'll see an electronic ticket to go on your single ride trip. Hold your phone under the scanner. You will see a confirmation message with a green check mark on the screen for a successful scan. Once your code is successfully scanned, your ticket is approved. Access additional features by tapping the menu bars in the upper left. These include other ways to manage your tickets. Review your order history, update your profile information, and more. For more information, visit norta.com/GoMobile. Download, tap, ride, Go Mobile.